What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on POLYGON MATIC. And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this token. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this very point, and I've told you that we probably had this movement to the upside as our 3 waves out of 5 of impulsive movement. And I've told you that if we would break the bottom of the 4th wave and especially the bottom of the 2nd wave, it will invalidate this count, because we cannot have the retracement in the 4th wave that is deeper than the initial bottom of the 3rd wave. This means this count for now is invalidated. And I have to say that I have a lot of doubts at this very range. Let me mark it for you. At this entire range, because right here we have a lot of failed waves and nothing is set in stone in technical analysis, and that's why some of the patterns might be broken with the massive news, and definitely we have several of them during the end of February, beginning of March. And I will show you in my technical analysis how you can handle these movements. But for now, let's continue with the fundamental news. And let's start with the total sentiment for entire crypto industry. For now, we are sitting at $1.69 trillion of total market cap. It is a 2.61% decrease over the last day. And major cryptocurrencies are in red. Bitcoin lost about 2.4%, Ethereum lost about 2.25%, and BNB lost almost 3%. And on a 7 days period, the main coins are also in red. It is not the deepest decrease, but still, as you can see right here, we have very weird movement, very weird sideways movement. And we don't have any major pivot points during this range. And definitely it is quite unusual to have this price action, and that's why a lot of altcoins went lower during this phase. So let's continue with the fundamentals of POLYGON MATIC. For now, it has the total market cap of $10.38 billion. It is a 3.76% decrease over the last day, and the volume is $473.04 million, and it is 0.86% decrease over 24 hours period. And let me show you the recent news related to Polygon. And first of all, let me show you this. It was published 2 days ago and it's titled "POLYGON MATIC suffers network outage sparking a wave of angry users." And it says, Polygon devs yesterday alerted users to an issue regarding Tendermint implementation leading to network downtime. Network update. The team is currently looking into an issue with the Tendermint implementation used by one of the 2 layers of Polygon PoS chain. All user funds and data remain fully secure, but there is a potential threat of Polygon PoS users experiencing downtime sporadically. And let me show you right here. Development team also wrote, "We appreciate your support during this time and have an update. We have deployed a temporary hotfix to unblock the board chain and resume reducing blocks on the Polygon chain. While this solution is temporary, the team is working on implementing a longer-term upgrade to fix the Heimdall issue." And definitely these type of issues negatively affect the price of this token and negatively affect the image of Polygon in general. And because of this, when development team cannot fix the issue immediately and they just use some kind of hot fix, this is not the great point either for the development team. And I have to say that because of this news, most likely we might see low price action, especially if Bitcoin and Ethereum won't hit some higher targets in upcoming future. And let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, first of all, let me show you the Bitcoin price action. And right here, as you can see, we have this range of support, and it is the channel that I marked several months ago. And for now, we are hovering right above the lower border, the lower support of this channel. and we almost hit this range and had small bounce. This means if this range holds and if next leg will be to the upside and we will increase the previous swing highs right here at $42,587, and right here it is a confluence of several tops and it is roughly $45,500. Definitely it will be the sign of next potential medium-term bull market, because we have to hit some higher targets in order to unload this price action at the lower range of this support. And if it happens, definitely we might see the bounce to the upside for all of the altcoins, and definitely Matic will be one of these coins. So what should we expect from the price action and how we can handle these messy waves? First of all, just define swing high and swing low, and these will be your key points in order to establish next medium-term trend. And definitely this previous swing high will be at $1.68 and this swing low at $1.25 will be a major key points that we should break in order to establish some kind of trend. And on a greater scale, let me switch to daily time frame. On a greater scale, we have a lot of price action right here, and I have to say that I nailed the majority of these movements, and you can watch the majority of my previous videos, and I have to say that the win rate on Polygon is roughly 70 to 75%. It is not the highest like Tesla, for example, but still it is more than enough to be consistently profitable, and that's why I think my technical analysis might be a part of your due diligence if you want to enter the position or invest in this asset. So what should you do if you want to enter the position? I don't suggest you to enter any swing trade position because we are in the middle of nowhere. We don't have enough confirmation of trend either way. That's why, in my opinion, if you want to swing trade this asset, just stay aside for a while until we'll see more confirmations of next trend. And if you want to invest in this asset, I have to say that from the fundamental standpoint, Polygon is still very attractive and it has a lot of upside potential. And even though that they cannot provide the real fix of its recent issue, I think in the long term Polygon is very promising layer on Ethereum network that will lead to much higher acceptance of this token, and this will lead to much higher prices. So what should you do if you want to invest? Just be cautious and accumulate on every daily red candle, and this approach will give you the most attractive average price that will lead to much higher profits in the future. But for the swing traders, I highly recommend you to wait until we will see the confirmation, because this action, this price action, let me mark it again, this price action is very messy, and I don't think that I can identify what will be the next movement based on this price action. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!